Hi, my name is Neeraj. I'm the founder of Madhawk Games. Today, I want to talk about why you should focus on WebGL and the top two benefits of WebGL. I really like when we are not dependent on App Store or Google Play Store. They can change the algorithm whenever they want. They always apply their own rules. Like, if you want to develop different language games, they will say don't make separate version of different language. You must make one app and add all the different languages in one app. But having WebGL version can help you become more independent. You can publish your game WebGL version to your own server, or you can publish on several websites like itch.io. Now let me tell you top two benefits of developing WebGL version. First, WebGL monetization. WebGL gives you a lot of option to monetize. You can put ads on website like Google Ads, or you can use in-game video ads, which gives a really nice ad experience. You can also add in-app purchases, and in WebGL you don't have to give any cut as we give in Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Second, WebGL promotion. Promotion of WebGL game is a lot easier than Android and iOS. WebGL gives you the freedom to promote in different ways like search engine optimization, cross promotion in WebGL, social media, and you can also post on forums too.